level problems. So the first part of number theory, surds. Surds are these, root type problems. Have we done
Yeah.
these in the past? I think I've touched upon them, right? These radicals.
Yeah.
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 So if you remember, we did a chapter on exponents and radicals, in which I had mentioned that if you have a radical in the denominator, like a root a plus root b,
Yeah.
to convert this or to solve this, simplify this, you need to multiply numerator and denominator by the complement of this. Complement
Yeah.
is just changing plus to minus or minus to plus in between.
Yeah.
So it looks like this.
Yeah.
Similarly, if you have root a minus root b, you'll multiply by root a plus root b, both numerator and denominator.
Yeah.
Okay, and that's what is needed. So with that background, can you please solve this?
That's a B.
What is the answer?
B.
D.
No, B.
B.
Yeah.
Sure. Can you check again?
Yeah.
So are we multiplying by this complement?
Yeah.
Okay. And if we do that, the numerator is looking to be the same. except that
Yeah.
the terms are flipped, plus minus.
Yeah.
But when I look at the denominator, it's y plus 3 minus of 5y.
Yeah.
If I look at this, it's 3 minus 4y.
Yeah.
And here also the terms are flipped. So what if I rewrite this as minus, multiply numerator denominator by minus 1? Don't I get this back?
Yeah.
So answer is C. So we get this, right? This we get.
Um,
Now this versus what is given? Just multiply numerator denominator by minus 1. And both
yeah.
the terms will flip and we get quantity B. So
Yeah.
both are equal. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. Next question. I'm going to time you for this.
Mhm.
Yeah. Time starts.
Um, C.
Which one?
Wait, never mind. B.
D is it?
B.
Sorry, you just
The
saying all the.
second one. The second one.
Sure, B.
Yeah.
Okay. And why?
Because you can cancel out you can turn root 4 to root 2, and you can cancel out the to the power of 2 for the 6 plus 3 and 11 minus 2. And
Yeah.
then that's simplified to 9 times 9. And the
Hmm.
second option is if you simplify it, it's also 9 times 9.
Okay. That's right. So can I say this expression is 9 square into 9 square
Mm,
raised to 1 by 4. So that is obviously 9. And
yeah,
this is 9 into 9, root of that. So that is 9.
yeah.
Yeah.
Mm.
And why did you mark this previously?
Oh, I misread the answers.
This root. Okay. Okay. All right. Okay. Always cross
Yeah,
verify once.
yeah,
Always good. We don't want to compromise on accuracy.
mhm,
In easier questions, these are easier varieties.
yeah.
Okay, how will we solve this? Can you tell me without solving what is the answer? Looking at the choices.
Um, oh, A, the first one,
Which one?
the first one,
Why would it be A?
because if you simplify the denominator,
Okay, can you
you,
solve it?
yeah,
It can't be A because when you multiply it by the complement, it's 3 minus root of 2 minus x, which will go in
yeah,
the both denominator and numerator. So numerator will be complicated. It will be root minus root.
mm-hmm. It's the last one.
Yeah, it's the last one, correct.
I have a question.
Yeah,
Why is it relevant that x is negative?
it's not relevant. The only thing is they want this to be positive inside.
Okay.
So hence they have mentioned that x is negative,
Mm-hmm.
but not relevant in solving the answer
Okay.
question, I mean. Yeah.
Yeah.
And let's solve a couple of even odd before we close out the day.
Mhm. Sorry, one question.
Yeah.
For
In
the
this,
previous question, yeah, for the previous question, you said don't solve it. W- Is
this
there a
one?
faster way to do this? And yeah,
No, I just realized that if you, sorry, one second. Since you need to multiply this by its
yeah,
complement, right? 3 minus root 2 minus x. And you do it on both numerator and denominator, right?
yeah,
Numerator, you'll have this term,
yeah.
correct? And there are only two choices with that. But you also know
Mm,
if you multiply these two, you won't get one below. So answer is this.
yeah.
So don't need to
Okay.
even work out. But yes, if you want to be sure, you can work it out, of course. But you're going to spend
Mhm.
5-10 seconds more doing that.
Yeah,
Such kind of questions where you know, okay, it's not going to be boiled down to one. Answer should be this, but you don't want to waste time doing this. You can mark it as review. Mark the answer, put a review on this question so that when you finish the section before time, you can always come back to the review questions and you can just again cross verify whatever you've done is right or not.
yeah.
Yeah. Couple of even odd questions. So a and b are integers and a minus b is odd. integer. Which of the following expressions must be even? So can you try it out?
A plus B and
Which one?
just A plus B.
Which of the following are even?
Oh, even. Oh, I did odd.
Yeah, you need to reread the question twice
Yeah.
now.
A times B,
Okay?
A squared times B, and 4 times A minus B.
Yeah, correct. A minus B is odd, which means either one of these are odd,
Yeah,
correct? Only then the subtraction will be odd.
yeah,
So product of even and odd is even. A plus B will be odd only. B
yeah.
cube can be even or odd, so we don't know for sure. A
Mhm.
square B, one of them will be odd, the other will be even, so that's the answer. And 4 into A minus B is even into odd, that's also the answer. A could be odd or even, so we don't know.
Mhm.
Yeah, good. Read the question, please, the stem, what is
Yeah,
asked. Because even if you know the answer, and usually in the time when you have time pressure on the real exam, you will have to still read the question twice in spite of the time pressure, which means we need
yeah,
to get into a habit beforehand of doing that.
yeah.
Okay, next question.
Um, B.
B,
Yeah.
B or D?
Second option.
Second option. Sure.
Yeah.
And why is that?
Um, since A and C I'm both I'm both in both the equations. That means they
So what is BD you're
have to be
getting? Are you
BD is negative.
always?
Yeah,
Okay. All right. So A, B, C greater than 0, right?
yeah,
And can I say AC are the common terms in both?
yeah,
So hence I'll take AC together and I'll put B and then I'll put D.
yeah,
Okay. And then I'll find what is BD. So AC, let's put positive, positive. And if they are both positive, B, can I say has to be positive according
yeah,
to the first equation?
yeah.
So I'll use the first equation for B, I'll use the second equation for D. Now AC both
Mhm.
are positive, D has to be negative for ACD to be less than 0, correct?
Yeah,
And BD is negative.
yeah,
That's one way of looking at it. Another way is both are negative, is AC. AC
yeah,
both negative, obviously the product is positive, so B also has to be plus, according to 1.
yeah,
And if A and C both are negative, product is positive, so D has to be still negative for second one to be less than 0, which
yeah,
is ACD should be less than 0. Again, your BD is negative.
yeah.
Yeah. What if you take plus minus AC?
And B has to be negative,
Then B has to
and
be
D has
negative,
to
right?
be positive.
B has to be negative and D has to be positive. Again, BD is negative. Or you take minus plus, B has to be negative and D has to still be positive. Again,
Yeah.
negative. So BD are all negative. So it's negative versus 1 by 3 and 1 by 3 will be higher. Is this what you did?
Not with the form, but in my head.
Okay. Now we know, right, how to do this
Yeah,
properly. See, I've exhausted all the combinations and that's what we have to do
yeah,
to eliminate D. Eliminate D means exhaust all the combinations possible.
yeah,
In plus, minus, even, odd, always a tabular structure is useful.
mhm, yeah,
Yeah. Okay. Good. So I'll be sending you some problems to solve tomorrow morning.
mhm,
Yeah. And
yeah,
tomorrow the first thing that we will do in the session is we will look at the word list.
yeah,
Yeah. Sorry, it's slightly late. It's 12:30. So
yeah.
I will have to wind up,
Fine.
but we
Mhm.
will do the word list tomorrow.
Okay.
The words, and we will probably do continue this number systems or number theory,
Yeah,
and we'll try to see more varieties and types. Okay.
yeah,
So now we've gone to intermediate to hard type of problems, as you can see.
mhm,
Yeah.
yeah,
And I would like you to keep practicing geometry. If
mhm,
you want, I can send you a bunch of questions.
yeah.
In
That
fact, the
would be good.
PPT which I will be sharing with you now,
Yeah.
that has one section called as medium difficulty.
Mhm.
Okay, so I'll show it to you. So one is hard difficulty, which I would like to do it with you,
Yeah,
and that's slide 44 onwards. And then there's medium difficulty from 78 onwards.
Yeah.
I think those you can keep solving whenever you get time.
Yeah.
Although the solutions are on the subsequent slides of every question,
Mhm.
but you can still, I mean, time yourself, try
Yeah.
every question, see if you're getting a not, and we will check your answers and we'll see if there are better ways to solve it.
Okay.
Yeah. So this
Yeah.
is one problem set which you can directly try. Medium
Mhm.
difficulty levels from slide 79 onwards.
Yeah.
Okay. So I'll be
Yeah.
sharing this with you. Any questions? All good?
I've got.
Okay. Okay. All right. So I'll see you tomorrow.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
Good night. Bye.
Bye.